BPK Bearing Company presents to your attention the 607-2RS bearing, manufactured at the factory of the Swedish corporation SKF in Italy. By going to our website at the link below, you can purchase this bearing or its analog. And by calling the phones listed there, under the video, you can hear our sales managers who will be happy to help you with your choice. BPK Bearing works only with original products. By subscribing to our channel, you will be aware of new products and features of bearing products. Technical characteristics of the bearing. Bearing 607-2RS. Ball, single row, radial. Closed on both sides with rubber sealing rings. Filled with grease for the entire service life of the bearing, and does not require additional lubrication. Bearing dimensions. Inner diameter 7 millimeters. Outer diameter 19 millimeters. Bearing height 6 millimeters. Details about this and other bearings on the company's website, VPK Bearing, so that everything works for you.